The Playpack can be used for back lying, tummy lying and floor sitting. Tummy lying. Using one of Charlotte's favourite toys, I try to encourage her to lift her head up. I try and make this a little bit more difficult by moving the toy slowly from side to side so she has to turn to look at it. To encourage weight bearing through Charlotte's arms, I encourage her to push up on straightened or extended arms and make sure that both her hands are open. This strengthens her shoulder and upper trunk. While Charlotte's head is lifted up, I encourage her to reach and grasp with one hand and then the other. This helps later on for sitting up and for using her arms against gravity. I place Charlotte in a curled up position on her tummy, ensuring that her airway is clear. I make sure her hips, knees and ankles are bent. Take one of the rolls and place it firmly behind her feet. I then show her her favourite toy and she starts kicking and pushing herself forward. To encourage Charlotte to roll, I place her midway between her back lying and side lying and encourage her to reach or kick for a favourite toy so she can begin to roll onto her tummy. I help her at first by moving her hips or her legs while she works to try and turn her shoulders. I then make the rolling a little bit more difficult by holding the lower half of her body steady using the positioning strap. This encourages Charlotte to roll, leading with the top half. I position the toys just slightly out of reach, so as the top half turns, it allows the bottom half to follow.